The photos went up and then they vanished. No explanation, no clarification, just silence. And the internet, it noticed. It wasn't a random post. Well, it was the US Army. And the images they showed one of America's most advanced weapons. That's right, the long range hypersonic weapons, better known as Dark Eagle. Basically, a weapon built for just one purpose: strike fast, strike far, strike before the enemy can even blink. We are talking about hypersonic speed, not just fast, not just supersonic, but hypersonic, more than 5 times the speed of sound. By the time radar detects it, it's already too late. But the question is, why would the US Army post pictures of something this sensitive? And most importantly, why delete them so quickly? Is it an accident or a message? Welcome to Times XP, it's me, Dhriti Yatri, and let's understand what this Dark Eagle really is. It's not a fighter jet, not a submarine, not a missile silo. It's a mobile launcher, mounted on a trailer, road movable, hard to track, hard to stop. It can hit heavily defended targets, bunkers, missile sites, command centers, and it gives almost zero warning time. Now let's zoom out. The Middle East is already tensed. US-Iran relationship on the edge. American carriers crowding strategic water. Missiles, drones, naval drills, every move is being watched. And then suddenly, photos of America's newest hypersonic weapons appears online just for a short while. And then all gone. But why now? Is Washington sending a signal to Tehran or to somebody else? Because hypersonic weapons, they are not just about Iran. They're about global competition. China has DF-17. In fact, Russia has Avangard. For years, critics said that America was behind in the hypersonic race. Dark Eagle is Washington's answer now. It's a statement. It's a warning. And the timing, don't forget, that matters. When tensions rise, every military image becomes strategic communication here. Well, sometimes silence is louder than speech. Sometimes, delegation, it speaks louder than posting. Can the upload have been accidental? Well, it's possible enough. Military media team, they handle thousands of files. Mistakes do happen, but with a system like this sensitive, like hypersonic, well, it is unlikely to be casual here. But with a system this sensitive, it is unlikely to be casual here, or was it deliberate? A subtle flex, a reminder, a message that says, we see the threat and we are ready. Without issuing a press release here, without a formal announcement, just images and then disappearances. Hypersonic weapons change the rule of war. They travel unpredictably. They maneuver mid-flight. They make missile defense systems extremely nervous because traditional interception systems, they are designed for predictable arcs. Hypersonic don't even follow the old playbook. Now imagine you are rival watching very closely. You see the photo, you analyze the launcher, you measure its configuration, you calculate its deployment readiness, and then suddenly the images are gone. Was that a leak or psychological warfare? Well, ladies and gentlemen, in modern conflict, perception is the power. Sometimes the message is not what is shown, but what is briefly shown and then taken away. As tensions simmer in the Gulf, as warships reposition, as diplomats exchange warning, the appearance and disappearance of Dark Eagle adds another layer, another signal rather, another question mark. So, the question is the same. Was it accidental? Was it a warning to Iran? Was it a reminder to China and Russia? Or was it simply the fog of digital media this time? One thing is clear here. The hypersonic race is real. The stakes are high. And when the world's most advanced, powerful military posts and then delete, well, images of the newest weapons, it's never just routine. It is a strategy and the world is watching.